for a hydraulic ram. I need to build up one side of it because it got chewed up. I need to build it up on the side, and what I do is I put a little, and I don't want it to extend past a certain point, so got a rain day today and gonna take advantage of that at the shop. We're gonna change cylinder, lift cylinder, and rebuild it on a Ditch Witch SK500. And here we got Bobcat grapple bucket. They've been leaking throughout the season. Good time to do it is now. And we got a Komatsu that we're gonna do the lift arms on a Komatsu WA95. Got that outside. Don't want to tie up too much shop space. That's a bigger machine.
Don't have your fingers close to that cylinder because don't put your fingers close to the cylinder because if it drops, you put your hand in it. There. Yeah. Take your finger right out of there. Fucking long-winded ass thread. Yeah. No, don't do that. Yeah, try pull it off the hand first. Might have to move the strap. Yeah, threads are all out.
Get a lot of fluid coming out, so and make sure you put a cover down. Little welding hack. I need to build up this flange. I can't find this part. For a hydraulic ram, I need to build up one side of it because it got chewed up. I need to build it up on the side, and what I do is I put a little, and I don't want it to extend past a certain point, so I cut a little piece of copper so I can keep it and make it build up without being wider. So the weld doesn't stick to the copper and it'll still build it up. we'll put it on the lathe, clean it up, see if it needs a little more spots to be touched up. Picked up this little bitty Craftsman lathe. They were made by Atlas in the 40s. It works pretty good for small projects. Gonna finish off that piece on the lathe. I think it'll clean up pretty good. I think we're almost there. Just need to build up a couple other areas. Didn't come out too bad. Think it'll work out. You can just barely see where the welding was added on. I think it'll work fine for what I need. Could have cleaned it up a little bit better, but I don't want to take off too much. Get the part all done. I think it looks pretty good. Able to put the new oil seal in. Put the ram back together. Grease these up pretty good so we don't pitch any seals and O-rings. Done that a few times. This is the type of cylinder that has a snap ring. Doesn't have a flange nut on the end of it for a spanner. The ring goes inside there. This has that snap ring that goes around it, that retains it. There's a little hole right here. You need to line it up with the slot up on top, so you can start the snap ring when you're ready to put that in. Start the snap ring in that hole. If everything's nice and clean, you should be able to turn it with channel locks. See if we can do that. It's feeding in as we turn it. That's what locks it. To take these out, you just go the reverse way. A little screwdriver in there for a pick. It just comes right out. Those are a lot easier than the threaded ones. I took it apart to begin with because this is the part that was all chewed up. They left the safety on and it just was all chewed up, and the oil seals would not hold in anymore, and it was leaking all over the place. That worked out pretty good. No leaks. That worked out.